Welcome to Avora Nature, where real beauty begins with the power of pure natural ingredients. In today's deep dive, we'll explore everything you need to know about our avocado-powered hair and skincare line, from our brand's origin story and scientific breakthrough to in-depth product demos, expert insights, DIY hacks, and inspiring customers' transformations. Grab your notebook. This is the ultimate guide to natural beauty. The founder's journey. Personal anecdote how co-founders struggled with sensitive skin and bridal hair after years of chemical-laden products. Their quest to find a truly natural solution led them to avocado, an ingredient revered for centuries. The mission is to make effective, eco-friendly self-care accessible to everyone. Vision: a world where self-care and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. Why avocado? It is used by the Maya and Inca for thousands of years for skin healing and hair nourishment. Traditional remedies: avocado pulp as a soothing poultice. The essential nutrients are fatty acids, oleic acid for deep moisturizing, vitamins A, D, E, K for cell regeneration and antioxidant defense to calm the inflammation. Nutritionists. Avocados, oils, fatty acid mirror our skin natural lipids, making it supremely absorbable. Clinically, studies show that topical avocado derivatives scientifically improve barrier function. From farm to bottle, harvesting, washing, first cold press. Why cold pressed? Preserves heat-sensitive vitamins and antioxidants. The key results are 84% increase in skin hydration after 4 weeks, 67% reduction in scalp itchiness, 92% of participants reported shinier, stronger hair. The breakdown of the product category is: we got avocado shampoo and conditioner, sulfate-free, added with keratin for cuticle repair. We got avocado skincare or skin cream with no synthetic fragrance. And we got a family line ultra mild, non-ionic, surfactant and non-colorant, safe for newborns. So how to use the avocado shampoo, hair and conditioner. The first step is to wet your hair thoroughly. Number two is apply a dollop of avocado shampoo, mass it gently into scalp. Use lukewarm water. Hot water strips natural oils. Leave in for 2 to 3 minutes under a warm towel wrap for deeper penetration. Rinse, then apply conditioner mid-length to ends. Leave for 1 minute. And to finish off, rinse with a cool shot of water for sealed cutiles and extra shine. The morning routine. First, clean your face or cleanse the face. Number 2 is a tone. Apply a thin layer of avocado cream in upward strokes. The evening routine is double cleanse. Apply a slightly thicker layer as an overnight mask. Pro tip: add 1 drop lavender oil or lavender essential oil for extra calming effect. The family line, you can use it after bed. Pat the skin dry. Apply cream generously on the body. Show application on a baby's cheeks and arms. Gentle, reassuring voice over. So, is Avora Nature safe for eczema? How soon will I see results? Can I layer this with prescription tropicals or topicals? And as the last thing is the FAQ. How should I store Avora products? Keep it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Are Avora products vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free? Yes, on all counts, certifications displayed on packaging. When it is time to switch to the family line, we need gentler formulas for sensitive or young skin. DIY beauty hacks. Avocado and honey face mask. Take a half of avocado plus 1 raw of honey. Use it 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. The overnight hair mask. Take 1 avocado plus 1 olive oil. Apply mid-length to ends. Wrap hair in a silk scarf overnight. So, how to return empty bottles for a 10% discount on your next order. You can take a partnership with local recycling centers, giving back to the planet. That was your complete guide to avocado powered skincare and hair care with Avora Nature. We hope you feel inspired to start your own natural transformation. Like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe and hit the bell. Go to YouTube Avora Nature and shop now at avoranature.com. Use the code AvoraNature10 for 10% of your first order. Thanks for watching, and remember, real beauty begins with nature. And as always, stay natural, stay Avora.